Hello, my name is Derek from Tomcat Gas Training and welcome to this video all about this. This one I've got in front of me here is a pipe vise. I've imported it from America. You can tell it's a pipe vise because they've misspelt vice, it's a vise. So it's a pipe vise, this one. So, got a job coming up where I'm using steel on site and I needed a little vise, and I saw this on the internet and thought, I'm having one of these. So this has cost me $150, which works out about 118, 119 quid, but I had to pay import duty, which was £35.44p to our government for the pleasure of shipping it from America. So let's have a quick look at it. And here it is. Oh, I got another sticker for some reason, but there you go. So, this is a little thing I bought. So let's have a close look at it and let's see how it works. So, pipe vise, call this the Bigfoot. And they do two Bigfoots. They do one out of steel, this one's made out of steel, and they do a brand new one which has just come out which was made of aluminium. The aluminium one's dearer than the steel one, but they're pretty much the same except the base is slightly smaller. Now on this base we have slots here so we could fix it to the bench, but it also has these rubber feet where you put it on the bench you properly gotta push it otherwise it stays where it wants. So that's good that it's got these rubber feet to stop it sliding when you're actually doing the job. So it's also got this handle there so you would hold the handle down while you're doing the work. So it's got this spring-loaded jaw, and this jaw goes from 3/8 of an inch up to 1 3/4 inches because it's American. And steel pipe's done still in this country in feet and inches. So that's what sizes this goes up to, and you can see the spring is pretty fierce on that. So that's how it's going to hold the pipe in place for us while we tighten stuff and undo it. Now on the left hand side of the vise, that is how we tighten it. So if you need to tighten anything into a piece of pipe, you would use the left hand side. And the right hand side, that's as I'm looking at it, not the way you're looking at it, but this right hand side here is where you would loosen stuff because of the way the clamp goes. So that's how it's supposed to work. So let's see it in action. Let's try it out. What I've got here is some 3/4 galvanised steel tube. So literally we're just opening the jar and placing it in the jar like that. We've got a 3/4 galvanised elbow, and I'm just going to put a bit of gas paste on first onto the pipe. So gas paste it up, put the excess in the elbow. Always make sure you use your rag to wipe your hands off and screw the elbow in. So, excuse the 18 stillies for tightening up 3/4 steel, but I can't find my 14s, I think they're in the van somewhere. So, set that on and put that in the right place, it'll grip it. Well, that was easy. Just wipe off the excess. And if I want to take it off, just flick it around your Stilsons again. It's as easy as that. Now let's try and test the BIGFOOT and see how strong it actually is. So what we've got here is a bit of galvanised steel pipe with a union on it, and this union is pretty damn rusted in. So what I'm going to try and do is, using my trusty 18 stillies, is try and undo the union by using the BIGFOOT. So let's see if it can take the pressure, because I've tried all sorts to get this off. So let's put it in the vise and let's see if we can get this union undone. Oh ho ho! Now that went straight away. You can hear how crusty that is and see it. And that, my friends, is why you don't use steel-faced unions on gas. You use navy unions with the brass face, because they see solid outside. This was on an LPG line, so yeah, made very light work of that, didn't it? One up for the BIGFOOT. And that is a look at Pipe Vise's pipe vise. I just wanted to share it with you because I've been looking for something like this for ages. I couldn't find anything in the UK and had to go to the States for it. So if you do want to buy one of these, you've got to go to Pipe Vise's website, which is pipevise.com, and you can order one. Don't forget, you've got to pay our lovely government that extra import duty on top of VAT as well. So if you've liked this video, then why don't you give me that thumbs up, or leave a constructive comment down below. If you've not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe, because it helps, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because we're releasing videos Mondays and Wednesdays at the moment. All I've got left to say is thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and look out for a next video on Wednesday. Cheers guys!